Hello everyone and welcome to NextGen SCM Cloud Academy. I am Ravindra, an Oracle SCM Cloud consultant with overall 9+ years of experience in the manufacturing domain as well as in the IT industry. So I have worked on the global projects and the domestic projects as well. So this channel is dedicated to help you learn Oracle SCM Cloud in a simple, practical and a real-time manner. So so we'll move ahead to the next topic. So basically this channel is for the mechanical engineers, production engineers, supply chain graduates, and the freshers. Also, it is available for the career switchers who want to migrate from the manufacturing domain to the IT industry and want to start career in the Oracle SCM Cloud. So, if if you are a complete beginner, you can also start your journey from here. So there is a no any criteria. So you can migrate from any domain background. So don't need any coding or any technical knowledge. So the next point is so so why Oracle SCM Cloud? So the Oracle Cloud is one of the fastest growing ERP in the current market. So it's like a SAP and it is a similar kind of ERP solution, but it is a cloud-based solution. So so there is a high demand of the Oracle SCM consultants in the India as well as in the global markets like Gulf in Gulf in USA and also other countries also are implementing the Oracle SCM Cloud. So that's why this Oracle SCM Cloud is having high demand. So looking for the trained consultants who has a extensive knowledge of the Oracle SCM Cloud, functional as well as the technical. So we will be focusing on the functional part only as we are from the mechanical and the production background. So in this domain, the salaries are excellent and which is better than the uh, domain field like a production engineer or the mechanical engineer. At the entry level, you will get around 4 to 5 lakhs per annum package. So if you are new to this technology and you don't need any coding or the technical background to learn this Oracle SCM Cloud. So if you understand the business process and you have the basic idea of the how the business works, the manufacturing works, then this is the best career for you. So so this is about the Oracle SCM Cloud. And the next part is the what are the career paths and the what are the modules we have to learn under this Oracle SCM clouds. So there are multiple roles in this Oracle SCM cloud. If you learn and you can migrate into the various kinds of roles like a SCM consultants. The SCM functional consultant focuses on the optimizing the supply chain processes and enhancing their efficiency. Like a inventory consultant, so who manages the inventory of the warehouses, so who manages all inventory related activities. So similar kind of also roles available like procurement consultant, order management consultant, manufacturing consultant and the supply chain analyst. So these are the roles you can migrate after learning the Oracle SCM Cloud. So these are the various ways you can explore by learning this Oracle SCM Cloud. So in this channel, we will guide you the step by step to achieve these kinds of role after y- you are completing these courses. So the next thing is to what are all modules but will be covered in this Oracle SCM Cloud functional training. So these are the primary modules comes under the Oracle SCM Cloud. So first one is the inventory cloud, second one is the procurement cloud, and the third one is the product management. There are also other modules also will be covered, like order management, manufacturing, and the costing. So each module will have a detailed training. So you will get the information about the configurations, so system demos, and the interview preparations. So how to face this kinds of interviews, what will be the interviews questions, and what are the setups will be asked. So these are all the things will be covering in these channels. So so why the next thing is the why mechanical engineers fit in these roles. So basically this Oracle SCM Cloud can be learned by anyone, but why I'm talking about the only mechanical engineers and the production engineers? Because the mechanical and the production engineers are the perfect fit for the Oracle SCM Cloud, because they already understand the material flow, what is the inventory, what is the bill of material, routing, and the shop floor processes. They came across these kinds of process on the daily basis. So they know in and out of these processes. So they can relate their real world experience with this Oracle SM Cloud business processes. So it is easy to understand for them. So that's why I'm talking the mechanical engineers and the production engineers will be best fit for these kinds of role. So also the MBA graduates who has completed their specialization in operation management and other domains also, they can learn these processes and migrate start their career into the Oracle SCM Cloud. So so this is some basic informations about the role and who can join this role and who can explore these opportunities in the global markets. So next thing is to what you will learn and what is our goal. So so in this training, my goal is to train a mechanical and production engineers and the working professional to become a confident Oracle SCM Cloud functional consultants. So I want to help you build a strong future-proof career in this cloud domain. So, as I am also a production engineer and I have started my career as a production engineer and then I migrated to this Oracle SCM Cloud domain. So, similarly, I want to help the mechanical and the production engineers who is struggling to start their career into the IT industry. So, basically, this training will help them to switch easily without any coding and the technical expertise. So you can go through this Oracle SCM Cloud uh, training and you will learn the real-time ERPs in a, so the next thing is to so this is our goal basically. So that's what is I discussed just, and you will learn in our upcoming videos what is SCM and in details about the each and every model. So what is the inventory cloud, what is the procurement. So so you will get the detailed information about the each module. So we will be starting with one module and the processes covered under that module. So that will be the our roadmap for this training. So in our next video we will be starting from the supply chain management overview. So we'll discover what what is important in this Oracle SCM Cloud. So if you are serious about the building career in Oracle SCM Cloud, make sure to subscribe and follow this channel. So if you have any questions, I will help you personally. So please comment your questions and and let us will discuss your questions and will help you to your queries. So you can email us on this mentioned email ID, or you can follow us on the social media, that is link in URL which is mentioned in the description as well. So if you are serious, let's start your journey from here. Thank you.